How to install Seers Plugin on your WordPress website. Firstly, go to your admin panel of your website. Now on the left side, you will see the option named Plugins. If you have on it, you will see 3 more options. Go to Install Plugins, click on this Add New buttons. On the right side, you will see the search bar. Type Seers. And here is Seers Plugin. Click on Activate to install it. After the activation, you will see your Seers plugin will be activated and added to library. Click on Settings. Now you are entered in Seers WordPress plugin. On Dashboard, you will see the banner status is activated. Now look at the left side. Here are a few options. We'll explore them one by one. First is Account Setup. Create your account if you haven't created it. If you already have an account with Seers, then add your cookie ID. Next, we have Consent Banners. If you click on it here, we have 2 options, General and Appearance. Which type of regulation you want? It's GDPR and Global Privacy Law. As you can see, Global Privacy is available in Premium and GDPR is already activated. Next, we have the option of language. English is already selected and you can add others in Premium. Right below, we have Geo-Target Location. As you can see, they all are Premium. We can't choose it from free account. You have to have Premium account to activate all of these. And on the right side, we have Global Privacy Laws. We mentioned all the laws with whom we are compliant. Next, we have Language Auto-Regional Detection. This is also a Premium feature. You can turn it on once you have Premium account. Next, we have Appearance. Firstly, we have Cookie Banner Toggle. You can show and hide it. We have the option to show badge. It means if we turn it on, users have the option to change their consent anytime. The other 3 options, like Manage Badge Customization, Record Consent, Subdomain Setting, they all are Premium. At last, we have Consent Frequency, which means how many times you want to take the consent from users. You can choose which one you want. We have options like Always, Daily, Weekly, Monthly, Quarterly, and Yearly. And click on Save Changes. In Appearance tab, we have 2 options, Settings, which we already explored. And the other is Visuals. In Visuals, you can change the appearance of your banner. Firstly, we have Accept button. You can change the text from here like we can do it. Allow all the text will be changed. If we want to change the color of button, click on this to change color. And if you want to change the color of text from this in any color you want. Next, we have Reject button. You have the option to turn it off and on with this toggle. Same as the Accept button, you can edit your text from here and change the color from here. And if you want to change the color of button, you can click on it and change it in any way you want. Next, we have Cookie Settings button. Same as above, change the text from here and change the button color from this. Next, we have Banner Text. You can edit it from here and change according to your requirements. You can change the banner text color from this button, and if you want to change the background color, then you can use this button. Next, we have button styles like Default, Flat, Rounded, and Stroke. Next, we have Display Style. We have 3 basic styles, Banner, Model, and Tooltip. When we click on Banner, we have different option of positions like Top, Bottom, Top Hanging, Bottom Hanging, First Preference, and Hang Preference. You can choose which one you want. In Model, we have 2 options of position, Universal and Standard. And in the Tooltip, you have 4 options of position. You can choose the banner style which goes with your website. Next, we have Cookie Preference Logo. As you can see, it's a Premium feature. You will upload your logo here if you have Premium account. From this option, we can choose the font and size of the banner text. And at last, the option of Powered by Seers. To remove this, you have to buy Premium account and save the changes. Next tab is Tracking Manager. It is a Premium feature which is only available at Seers web app. And Frameworks, they all are Premium features and you can avail them all by getting a Premium account. In Privacy Policy, you will have the option to add policy by enabling this button, add the link, and save the changes. Here we have the Premium option of Cookie Policy and Privacy Policy Generator. Next is Reports, which is also a Premium feature.